friends, welcome back to another video on Android development. I am Shafaqat Ali, and in this video we will see the concept of the shared preferences. In this example we will see the activity level shared preferences. So first of all, let me show you a demo application. You can see here is the switch. When I click on the switch to turn on, the theme will be changed. The color of the theme will be changed. And when I remove it from background and again open the application, you can see the theme, color of the theme now again same. So let's create a new Android Studio project. On the next and click on the finish. Okay, our project is successfully created. Now click on the resource, go to the layout and open activity main and click on the text and remove everything from here and go to design. Here we need a switch, so first search a switch and select the switch and now add the constraint. Now give the ID, let's say switch, and give the text. Change theme color. Okay, now go to the text. Here something is missing in ID, so let's give it again. Okay, now give the ID to background. Okay, now go to the main activity.java. Here create variable switch. Create view. Okay. Now initialize it. Okay, now again initialize the view. Find view by id r.id. Now view. Okay. Now when I click on the switch, so we need to set on click listener, set on change listener, new on change listener. Okay, we need the object of the share preferences to store data. Share preferences dot editor is equal to get preferences, and here is the one parameter that is move. Here is move private, so call the edit method. Okay, now using the object editor we can pass the value, so put boolean. First parameter is key, so in my case let's say key, and the second value is check because the value is stored after click on the check. Okay, Now value is stored, and now we have to change the color of the background. So first view dot set background color. Here the object is checked. If it is true, then the color should be green. Otherwise, color should be red. Okay. Now on the top side of the set click listener, we need object of share preferences. Share preferences is equal to get preferences move private, and by the object of the share preferences we can get data. So store it boolean and is checked is equal to share preferences dot get boolean. First parameter is key, that is same, and the second parameter is default value, that is false. Okay, now again set the background color. So view dot set background color. Now here is check. If it is true, then the color should be green. Otherwise, color should be red. Turn on the switch according to this boolean variable. So a switch dot set check and pass this variable, and let's test the application. As you can see, application is successfully running. When I click on the switch to turn on, background color is changed, and when I remove it from background and turn on the application again, you can see our color is successfully saved. So our project is successfully completed. So see you in next video. If you like the video, please thumbs up my videos and subscribe our channel.